Good morning, everyone. This is Panda. So I just want to reach out to you guys this morning and wish you guys the best of your week and your weekend. I'm sorry, I am under the weather, so I do apologize. But just want to show you a beautiful sunrise here in Queens, New York City. And I really wish you guys the best. I know that some of your governments, doesn't matter where you're from, are not treating you like civilians or citizens. I'm sorry that the people of your city won't help the people in your city. I'm so sorry that people are becoming homeless in this time of need when we should not be creating more problems for people that are literally trying to survive and put food on their table. So I want to wish the world the best of luck today, because right now the world is looking like it's on fire. So please have a positive look at things, and hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. See ya.